Tone6 is made up of 6 young, talented vocalists who met at the Sains Up Performing Arts School, an organisation founded by Nance Tupai from Addis. The young group has become a bit of an online sensation, performing for some of Aotearoa music royalty, and today Tone6 is releasing its new R&B gospel waiata called Close Your Eyes. A member of the group, Salvasio Tuimi from Ngāti Tonga, is with us now. Tēnā koe, Salvasio. Thank you for joining us.
Morena, thank you very much for having me on the show.
All right, now talk us about how your group came to be. How did Tone6 become what it is today, and who decided that you'd become a group and make music together?
So basically, the 6 of us all came through a performing arts school called Saints Up Performing Arts, as you said. It's run by Nance Tupai, one half of Addis, and his wife Rebecca Tupai. We were all chosen as lead vocalists for the Moana medley, which we sang at the Pacific Music Awards as a tribute to Opitaia Hawaii. And I guess from there, people kind of brought up the idea if we were a group or not. And then, we all came together, had a discussion, and then decided to move forward as a group, and then came up with the name Tone6.
Well, how influential was Sains Up Performing Arts for you all? How did this prepare you for where you're going today?
It prepared us significantly because as young people, we're all gifted with the talent of music, and we all have that passion for it. But I guess coming through the school, it's definitely gave us that confidence because their mottos are to inspire, empower, and encourage young people through the performing arts. So coming through there definitely helped us to come out of our shell a bit more with our passion for singing, as well as the other modules that they have, such as drama, guitar, and dance.
Now, you're releasing your new waiata today called Close Your Eyes. Where did the inspiration for this come from, and what made you decide that this one would be your next single?
So basically it was a decision that we made as a group after our first single. The inspiration behind the song is basically it talks about real life stories, stories that we all relate to, and I think everyone can relate to. It talks about challenges that everyone goes through on a day-to-day basis. Touches on poverty, it touches on drugs and alcohol, and with our platform we aim to just put out a positive inspiration through our music, and the song just talks about positive ways to cope with these things, and it really touches on the power of prayer.
Salvasio, what's your process for creating new waiata? Do individuals bring some ideas to the table, or do you all work quite closely together for sound and lyrics that speak to who you are?
In terms of our writing process, this song was written for us a long time ago when we were still kids. Nate Tupai had written this song for us. But in terms of our writing process, we definitely come to the table with a lot of ideas. But at the end of the day, Nance has been our guidance figure and our mentor and our father figure in the music industry, as well as our songwriting process.
I get that. He's one of my old bros. From the group Tone6, Salvasio Tuima, thank you so much for joining us today. You all have beautiful voices, which isn't surprising, really. And all the best for the release of your new waiata. Ngā mihi.
Thank you very much.